rode the donkey?
Jesus.
What did they shout?
Can Hosanna.
Very good. Here, Dance, you do this one.
Can you hear the click clop? Can you hear the click clop? Can you hear the click clop?
Can you hear the donkey riding in?
Money. Money.
What's the money for?
The man likes money better than Jesus.
That's right. Okay. Your turn. Uh-oh, this one's not closed.
Can I do this one? This one was, they drank out of this cup.
Who gave it to him?
Jesus.
Mm-hmm.
A cup. They drink. They just what's that one? Oh, pray. I messed up. I'm praying to God at home.
You do.
After
Where was he when he was praying?
in the garden.
That's right. Okay, hold on. We got to go in order. Remember, tell the story. What's this one?
They hurt him.
Okay, I'll just...
They hurt him with it.
Yeah. Okay, Dan, it's your turn.
I want the one that isn't. They hurt him with it.
They did. What was that dance? Tell Honey what that one is.
A crayon.
Made out of what?
Sticks.
Yeah, sticks and thorns. Where'd they put it?
On his head. On his head, then he takes it up. Okay, the yellow one.
You got anybody's yards planned for today, or you just gonna
Walker,
take it
we're
easy?
doing something.
Cross. That's a snail. A cross.
What's the cross for?
It's made out of nail.
Who'd they put on the cross?
Cheese.
Okay, Dan, it's your turn.
I want the one that's empty.
Okay, hold on.
So,
What is that?
okay. Jesus right on the
What's that? What is that, Nance?
I don't know.
What's that for,
They
Lydia?
used to win his clothes.
To win his clothes.
I want the one that's empty.
Okay, we're gonna let you, Daniel.
Oh, they put it on his. They put it on his.
Show it to Honey.
They put it on his side.
Show her what it is, though. Spear.
I want
We
one.
put it on his side.
I want one that's empty.
You do this one, Dance.
What about mine?
Yeah.
I did that.
Okay. Look, here's Dance.
I want it.
What is that? For what?
They wrapped it around Jesus.
They wrapped around Jesus. Okay.
I want. I love.
What is that one?
Wow, this big rock is so giant.
What was that for?
I want the one that's shaking around and so much rolling away.
Good. All right, Dance.
I don't want the one.
Okay, let's put it together because okay. You go ahead.
Why is there a rock in here? Is this a real rock?
Look. Why is it empty?
Because Jesus is alive. What? Is this a real rock?
Yes. What happened?
We can't.
There was a shake. What?
Around the snow from the
Say Happy Easter.